The tank water.
People, people, I get a joke one time, you see, but Frog say, you know, what is joke to you is dead to him. But me have to tell you know what. People, when I'm a bridging, you see, call me one day and say, boy, Wayne. So you know, say, a real friend. All of my friend, them call me as alias name, nickname. So me say, my friend say, Wayne, why you come help me clean out my tank, you know. So it's a bridging where good to me, so me round up couple of youth. Cause him claim to same tank, half a water, but the tank the water come out slow. So it seem like, you know, we country people set tank near the house. That means when you fall by we zinc, the water run in the tank. So more likely, me I say, I go leave, drop in the tank or blow in the tank and, you know, say, by certain time, it a go sink and go black up the hole where water for run through. So, my friend call me and me go over there. When me reach over there, me see tank, a black tank, tap open. Open. So me I say, yo, Bridget, you don't know, so you have to lock your black tank tap, man. Anything can drop down in your tank, you know, man. You have to lock it up by your tank, man. Him claim say, I must see his son left it open because I mean tell him son to go look down in the one night time because the water run slow. So him tell him son to go look down in the tank and it seem like his son left it open. So anyway, as him say, about half tank again, a water for you. So all the way have a rocky car push sticky night. Cause we pull off a hose off it, you know. And the water barely come out with you. So we have to push sticky night to free up that the water can come out fast enough. Which we do that and we find out say water come out. So it seems like something in a black hole with you. So anyway, when the water done run out, we turn over a tank. When we turn over a tank, we find out say some hair and some bone in a tank. When we realize, a man say, rotted. You know, say me have a cat. And I cat this where we are look for how long. So it seem like me have a cat. And I don't know if it's a dog or whatsoever on the tank. The cat jump up on the tank top. So he cat jump on the top. He cat drop down in the tank people. So drop a cat drop down in the tank, he cat stay in the tank, can't come out and deteriorate. Rotten. Bone and hair refined in the tank. People, the man say, you know, at this a tank, I me drink and cook out. People, when the man realize really see a cat, when he man look for how long in a tank bottom, he cat hair and so black up the tank. Me see man shut off. About 5 to 6 to 7 minutes, me see man come back. Me I say, how you go so fast, man? The man say a toilet, you know. Imagine it cat where we are look for drop off in a tank and rat out in a tank and we drink and cook him out and nothing wrong with we. And had me see him right here now, me catch diarrhea. So people, be careful when you have your tank outside. Keep it locked because you don't know where we fall in it and deteriorate in it. Better know that.